Hi, this is Giridhar from eMath. As eMath, this video series is an initiative of a free chapter-wise revision for all SSLC students of Karnataka. In this video, let's revise arithmetic progression. Let's get started. So, the chapter 1 arithmetic progression. Firstly, we will have to define what is arithmetic progression. According to the definition, it says an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers obtained in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. For example, consider the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, and so on. In this sequence, we observe that if we go on adding the number 3 successively to each preceding term, we get the next term of the sequence. That is, the first term is 1, and to get the second term, we need to add 3 here to 1 to get the next term, that is 4. Similarly, take the number 4 and add 3 again, you'll get 7, and that is our third term of the sequence. Similarly, taking the 7 and adding the number 3 again to it, we'll get 10, and that is our fourth term, and so on. So, adding one particular number to its preceding term, we get the next term of the sequence. This kind of a sequence will be called as arithmetic progression. And we also have the one more topic of this chapter called nth term of an AP, where the formula for the nth term of the AP is given by an equals a plus n minus 1 into d, where an denotes the nth term or last term of an AP, a is called the first term of the AP, n is the number of terms of the AP, and d is called the common difference of the AP. This is about the nth term or last term of the AP. Then the next topic is about sum to n terms of an AP. We all know that this sum to n terms of an AP consists of three different formulae in this chapter. Namely, the first one is about this formula. Sn equals n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The second formula is this. Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l, that is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, where l and an are the last term and the nth term of the AP. The third formula is about Sn equals n times n plus 1 divided by 2, where Sn denotes the sum to n terms of an AP, a is the first term of the AP, d is the common difference of the AP, n is the number of terms of the AP, and finally L or an is called as the nth term or the last term of the AP. Let's look at the some of the illustrations of this chapter. Illustration 1. So it says that in an AP, if the 12th term is minus 13 and the sum of the first 4 terms is 24, what is the sum of the first 10 terms? So the solution goes like this. First of all, let us assume like this. Let the first term be a and the common difference be d. Then we have this formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So in the question, they have given that 12th term is minus 13. So in place of n, I need to replace 12, right? So a12 equals a plus 12 minus 1 into d. And 12 minus 1 is 11. So on simplifying this equation, we get a plus 11d equals minus 13. We call it as equation number 1. Then we will use this formula for the next condition given in the question. Okay. So that is Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And thus we'll have to substitute 4 in place of n. So we get S4 equals 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. And the solution is going to be 24. And on simplifying this equation, we get 2a plus 3d equals 12, which is our equation number 2. Then on solving the equations 1 and 2 simultaneously, we get the values of a and d as 9 and minus 2 respectively. And then finally, to find the sum of first 10 terms, Again, by using this formula and substituting the values of n, a and d, we get S10 equals 10 by 2 into 2 into 9, because the value of a is 9 here. So 2 into 9 plus 10 minus 1 into the value of d, which is minus 2 here. So substituting here, and on simplifying, we get this 10 by 2, which is 5, and 2 into 9 is 18, and this is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. 0 multiplied by 5, which is again 0 here, right? So 0 is the sum of first 10 terms of this AP. Then again we'll look at the one more illustration. Illustration 2. The sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 33. So what they have given is the sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 33, and if the product of the first term and the third term exceeds the second term by 29, find the AP. So to find AP, what do we need? We need two things. One is the first term A and the other one is the common difference D, right? So according to the question, what they have given, the sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 33. That is one part of the question. And in the second part, they have given that if the product of the first term and the third term exceeds the second term by 29, that is the product of first term, which is A, and the third term, which is A3. So A into A3 will be exceeding. Exceeding means something which is greater than, right? So greater than what? Second term. And it is greater by how much? By 29. So this is the second condition what they have given us, right? So the solution goes like this. Let the three terms of an AP be A minus D, A and A plus D. So we'll have to assume it like this. Let the three terms of the AP be A minus D, A and A plus D form. Then they have given that sum of the three terms is 33. So we'll have to add these three terms and equate it to 33, right? So yeah, therefore what do we get? A minus D plus A plus D will be equal to 33, which implies that A equals 11, because we can easily cancel out this minus D and plus D, and we have 3 A's here. So 3A equals 33 will implies A is equal to 11, right? So the value of A is 11 now. Then again, it is also given that A1 is same as the first term, which is A, and into A3 will be equal to A2 plus 29. Plus 29 because A2, the product of these two terms is greater than A2 by 29. So A1 into A3 is equal to A2 plus 29. And applying the same formula again, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We get A as it is, and A3 is same as A plus 2D, and A2 we have this formula, A plus D plus 29. Then after substituting the value of A is equal to 11 in this equation, we will get the value of D. See, we have substituted the value of A as 11 here. In place of A, I have wrote 11 here, and then 11 into 11 plus 2D will be equal to 11 plus D plus 29. So on simplifying, we get the value of D is 9, and then hence the AP will be, earlier we have took the AP in this form, right? A minus D comma A plus D, right? So the same way we have written here, and on substituting the values of A and D, the value of A is 11 and the value of D is 9. So on substituting we get this 11 minus 9 comma 11 plus 9. So 11 minus 9 is going to be 2, 11 is as it is, 11 plus 9 is 20, and to get the next term we need to add this common difference 9 to its preceding term. So 20 plus 9 will give us 29. So the AP is 2, 11, 20, 29 and so on. So this is how we are going to find AP. Thank you. We'll get back to you within the revision of next chapters.